Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some MCQs. We will revise the chapter Agriculture, chapter number 4 of Geography, with 15 MCQs. I will ask the question, then you have to guess the answer, and at last you should match your answer with the answer key. Will be discussed in this video, and then you should share in the comment box your score. Let's start with first question. The word agriculture is derived from words agar or agri and culture. These are the words culture and agar or agri. This word is derived from these words. So these words are of which language? German, Latin, English, French. Yes, B is the correct answer. So question number 1 has B answer. Which of the following is an economic activity? There are some economic activities: primary, secondary, tertiary, all of above. So which is economic activity? All are the economic activities. D is the correct answer. Primary activities consist of agriculture, fishing, mining, herding, animal herding, etc. Secondary activities consist of manufacturing, industries, etc. Tertiary is the service providing sector. Textile industry is an example of primary, secondary, tertiary, none of above. So textile industry is the example of secondary activity because it consists of secondary activity consists of industries, all the industries in which raw material is used to be converted into useful thing. Clear? So textile industry has its raw material as cotton, jute, etc., and then it is converted into textile. So it is the secondary activity because it is the part of manufacturing. So B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not an example of tertiary activities? Banking, fishing, transport, trade. Tertiary activities means service activities, service providing. Banking is the service providing, transport is the service providing, trade also. Fishing is the part of primary activities because it is about using the natural resources. So B is the correct answer of question number 4. Question number 5. How many people are engaged in agricultural activity in the world? This is the data. You have to remember this thing because data should be remembered. 40, 45, 46, 50%. D is the correct answer. 50% is the correct answer. The land on which the crops are grown is known as. Where? The land on which crops are grown, it is infertile, bare, arable, alkaline. So these three kinds of land are not useful for growing crops. C is the correct answer. Arable land is the land on which the crops are grown. What is the cultivation of grapes called? Cultivation of grapes called viticulture, horticulture, sericulture, pisciculture. The correct answer is A, viticulture. This is the correct answer. Breeding of fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds is known as breeding of fishes. Viticulture, pisciculture, horticulture and sericulture. Again the 4 options are here. So pisciculture is the correct answer. Which of the following is not an input in the farm system? The farm system is the process in which inputs are there and then the process is there and then outputs. So this is the farm system. Machinery, crops, chemical, seeds. Machinery, chemicals and seeds are inputs, right? But crops is not input. B is the correct answer because it is output. Clear? It is output. What is shifting cultivation is known in Northeast India? Northeast India. Dhya. It is the name of shifting cultivation, perhaps in central India. Kumbri also in eastern parts of India. Jhuming cultivation is the correct answer because shifting cultivation is known as jhuming cultivation in northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, etc. C is the correct answer. Milpa is not the name of shifting cultivation in India. It is in Mexico. Next one. Nomadic herding is practiced in arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia, North India, all of above. Nomadic herding is done in all the parts. D is the correct answer. The various kinds of communities do this activity, nomadic herding, in these parts. Where is mixed farming practiced? Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, all of above. Again, the answer is D, all of above, because mixed farming is practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, etc. So all of above is the correct answer. Which crop is known as the golden fiber? Option A, coffee, B, cotton, C, jute, D, tea. Golden fiber. Golden fiber is option C, jute. Jute is called golden fiber. Next is, which of the following favorable conditions is not for tea? Tea requires gentle slopes, high rainfall, arid soil, cool climate. So these three are the favorable conditions for tea, but arid soil, because arid soil is not a favorable condition for tea. It is not favorable for tea because tea requires loamy soil. Clear? Loamy soil, well drained loamy soil is required for tea. Arid soil is not suitable for tea crop. Last and final question. What is the size of a typical farm in the USA? About 150 hectares, about 250 hectares, less than 100 hectares, none of above. So the correct answer is, dear students, B. 250 hectares of land is a size of typical farm in the USA. As we discussed the comparison between USA and India farms, then we found that in the USA the size of farms larger than India, understand, and their better techniques are used for agriculture, and their peasants means the rich people, and in India peasants means the poor people. Clear? Because here the size of farms are very less. So these were the MCQs, 15 MCQs we have discussed. How many questions you corrected? Tell me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.